Okay, so some background on myself. Currently, I'm a cybersecurity manager for Northrop Grumman. I graduated from Cal State Dominguez Hills in 2020 with a bachelor's in computer technology from the general track, and I completed my master's degree in cybersecurity from CSUDH here in summer 2023. Currently, I would say that a lot of my background before joining up with the company is very heavily involved with student activities. So I was the president of CASI, the Computing Alliance of Hispanic Serving Institutions. I was also the West Region lead as undergraduate student advocate, which turned into the West Region graduate student advocate once I transitioned over to grad school. And through a lot of pushing for the advancement of those organizations on campus is where most of my academic background was focused on. For me, one of the big things that I picked up from the program was the ability to stay flexible in terms of my approach to picking up new skill sets. I would say that because there's such a big difference between academia and industry, one of the big skills that translates very well is, especially if you go from industry first back into academia, is that industry likes to grind certain mentalities, methodologies in one way, and academia differs. And one thing in the master's program that I picked up was the ability to adapt to different approaches to often meet the same.
I was cybersecurity when I got interviewed. I was interviewed by a systems engineer. He knew nothing about cyber. He was already a director at that point. He hadn't touched a computer in God knows how long, nothing but meetings. But because I was able to tell him about all the wacky adventures that happen as a result of running Torohack and going to all these conferences, those kinds of stories that you get from putting yourself out there, from building your network, will convince people that, hey, this person's well-rounded enough to have on my team.
I would like to say that it's never too late to start moving your life in a different direction. I went ahead and made this change at the age of 26. I'm 32 now. I have been in industry for 3.5 years. So if I could do it this late in the game, not having opened a Linux terminal until I turned 26, then it's never too late for anybody.